YouTube's advertising revenue has skyrocketed to a staggering $10.3 billion in the third quarter, solidifying its position as a powerhouse in the ad market. And it's not just nibbling at the edges of traditional TV's territory. It's taking a growing bite. But here's where it gets controversial. Is YouTube's dominance a sign of innovation, or is it reshaping the media landscape in ways that could leave traditional platforms behind? Let's dive in. Alphabet, YouTube's parent company, reported a total revenue of $102.35 billion, a 16% year-over-year increase, with earnings per share, EPS, of $2.87, both surpassing analyst expectations of 2.27 EPS and $100.14 billion in revenue. YouTube's ad revenue alone jumped from $8.9 billion a year ago and $9.8 billion in the previous quarter, showcasing its relentless growth. And this is the part most people miss. While YouTube's numbers are impressive, they're part of a larger strategy that's quietly redefining how we consume content. Google Services revenues climbed 14% to $87.1 billion, driven by what the company calls a robust performance across Google Search, subscriptions, platforms, devices, and of course, YouTube ads. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Alphabet and Google, celebrated the milestone, stating, "Alphabet had a terrific quarter. With double-digit growth across every major part of our business, we delivered our first ever $100 billion quarter." But it's not just about the numbers. Pichai highlighted the company's AI advancements, including the rapid global rollout of AI overviews and AI mode in search. Here's a bold interpretation. Could Google's AI-first approach be the real game changer, not just for YouTube, but for the entire tech industry? For instance, Google's Gemini models now process 7 billion tokens per minute via direct API use, and the Gemini app boasts over 650 million monthly active users. Meanwhile, Google Cloud accelerated its growth, ending the quarter with a $155 billion backlog. And the company's paid subscriptions, led by Google One and YouTube Premium, surpassed 300 million. These aren't just stats. They're signs of a broader shift in how businesses and consumers interact with technology. But here's the thought-provoking question. As YouTube and Google continue to dominate, are we witnessing the rise of a monopoly? Or is this healthy competition driving innovation? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. One thing's for sure, the media landscape is changing, and YouTube is at the forefront, whether traditional TV likes it or not. Stay tuned. Because this story is far from over. Want more insights like this? Sign up for our daily newsletter and get the latest updates delivered straight to your inbox. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve.